Talk to you about body parts and science?
Yep.
On the way?
Yep.
You and your family relatives should watch Hercules.
Maybe.
Tommy's telling everybody that today, that they should watch Hercules.
Why?
Why, Tommy?
My favorite song is One Last Hope from Hercules.
You know what? You're right.
Hello, ladies.
Hi.
What are you doing? What's your name?
August.
August.
Yes.
What's your name?
I'm Naomi.
Naomi? Yes, Neil.
No, Naomi.
Naomi.
Yeah.
Yes, Naomi.
We're gonna do a squat. You ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1, go. Hold it. There you go. Relax. Squeeze the leg. Ready? Up. Good. Okay, we're gonna go.
Okay, let me interrupt your warm up.
He didn't mean to interrupt your warm-up, he said.
Hello, Alina. Are you ready for rings?
Hi.
What age did you watch Hercules?
Oh my god, probably like...
What year was it released, Tommy? Check your hat.
1997.
So 1997.
3.
Oh, Alina was only 3 then.
That was 17 years ago.
It was. So that makes Alina 21? 20?
No,
Hello.
I'm turning 20.
Oh, you're turning 20. Okay.
So we need to get a lane number for Tommy.
Okay.
I don't remember what lane is.
Hello.
Love.
What's your name?
Oh, Lord.
Do you want to go get a number 1 with me?
Number 1.
Yeah.
Go first.
Yeah, you and your family members should watch Hercules.
They do watch Hercules, yeah?
Yeah. Today Tommy's telling everyone to watch Hercules, and I don't know why.
Tom, your boat's number 4, so you have to go get a number 4 and put it on your boat.
Go get a 4, Tom. Go get a 4. Follow Alina. She's getting you a 4. Is that your white boat, Tom?
It's getting stuck.
There, that's better.
You're number 4, Tom.
Number 4.
Number 4.
Well, your boat is, you're in lane 4.
You're in lane 4. There it is.
So stay out of that sun.
Yeah, that sun is hot.
What?
Tommy, here's your water.
Oh, I give it to Mom.
Okay. Yeah, he gave it to me because there were some girls doing some exercises and he joined them.
Oh, yeah. Well, part of
Emily's got the yellow boat.
the banana. The banana got lost
Banana
again this
boat.
year.
Did it sink again?
Yeah, so...
It has a history of sinking.
History is thinking.
Yeah.
What's that?
It means it's...
the guy's got that old huge thing.
Oh, that's so cool. What's he doing, Tommy?
He's flying.
Sort of.
He's flying.
It can't be.
That guy over there is on like a jet ski thing.
Jet ski.
Look at him, Tom.
I didn't do it like him.
You could. Maybe someday you can try it.
Yes.
Would you like to fly?
Yes.
Farquharson.
Parkinson.
We've met before.
Yes. you and your family members should watch Hercules.
Hercules. I
Yeah.
love that movie.
Yes. This is my favorite movie.
It's your favorite?
Yes.
My favorite is Tangled.
Mine too.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
But Tommy, don't you like every single Disney movie?
Yeah.
Do you like the song "At Last I See the Light"? I love that song.
I do.
My name's Tommy. Hello, Galia.
I think you know Galia, Tom.
Some glasses.
Glasses, I got them at Costco.
So what's interesting is he says he introduces himself like you've never met, but then he asks about your new glasses.
I know that you know me. It's okay.
Yep.
That's okay.
Your hat is new though.
It is. I got it yesterday.
Yeah, Alina has the same hat.
Yeah. Do you like my new hat?
Yes.
Yeah.
Where'd you get a new hat?
I got it here. It's the Rideau Canoe Club hat.
We could get you one, Tom. Do you want a Rideau Canoe Club hat?
Rideau Canoe Club.
Do you like it?
But
You can feel the
you went to the eye doctor?
a long time ago. Yes.
Have you had glasses for a long time? Do you sometimes wear contacts then? Aha.
Sometimes I wear contact lenses.
So does Tommy. Tommy has contacts, eh?
Do you have contacts?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true, because sometimes you wear glasses.
Why did
Yep.
you buy more contact lenses?
Because sometimes it's easier than wearing glasses, especially when I'm on the water.
Really?
Yep. Why do you wear contact lenses?
I wore contact lenses.
Why did you get them, Tommy? When you first got them?
But
What day did you first get contact lenses?
2000, April 2009.
April 2009? So why did you want contact lenses? What happened?
I like you much better with my glasses off.
Okay.
Did his glasses
And he just
right?
really wanted. Well, no, he had his cousin Charlotte got contact lenses, and when he watched her put them in, he thought it looked pretty magical.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
And then he started talking about wanting them, and we thought,
Kinda wanted some.
But he learned to use them really well. That's good. Even the people at Costco and his eye doctor, his eye doctor didn't want to give them to him, so he went to Costco. And even there, they went. You know, they kind of said like, "Oh, it's going to be hard for him to
Hello.
learn," but you know, what? He
My name is
learned.
Tommy. Davis?
Try, you know?
Which last name?
Yeah, you got to give him a try. Worst that can happen is he pokes out his eye. I mean, you know.
How long
We
what
have.
did it take him this first time to put them in?
It took a long time, and he got a little frustrated, but
Yes.
have fun, you guys. Have fun, Tommy.
Okay, Mom.
Man, it's a hot sun, eh, Emily? It is a warmish day. Warmish. Warmish.
Event number 50, Oakland men's and women's together. Lots of cheering from the crowd. We have Ottawa River. She'll be coming around the corner shortly.
Look at Emily go in her yellow banana boat.
Let's go, Rideau!
Go, Rideau, go!
It's like Tommy DeBrise from Rideau in lane 4.
Emily's really moving there. Go, Tommy!
Let's go, Tommy! Go, Emily! Go, Robbie! Go, Adam!
Wow. Very good race out here.
Yay! Woohoo! Good job, Tom! Go, Emily!
Our first
Let's go, Robbie!
across the line, Tommy, and our first female, Emily Beauchamp-Brownette.
She's paddling well, Emily.
We have lanes 1 and 5 battling it out. Robbie LaForest and Massey from Carlton Place.
Okay.
Massey, congrats, Robbie. And here we have lane 3, Paolo Pemon from Ottawa River.
Let's go, Adam!
Congratulations. And we
Woo!
have lanes
Good job, Tom!
lane 6, Adam LaForest from Rideau.
Woo-hoo!
Congratulations, everyone. Well done.
Way to go, guys!
Lanes 4, 8, and 5 to boat control, please. Lanes 4, 8, and 5 to boat control, please. Well done. Paddle participants, congratulations. Some of you will move forward to our national championships.
Yeah, we're not going to go to Regina this year because Paul's coming home Paul has to come home between his job and his school, right at the same moment. So we just said nope. It is far. Hi guys.
How was that, Mom?
Fantastic. How'd you feel?
Great.
Good.
Tommy, we have to go weigh your boat.
Yeah, go.
Ah,
4, 8, and 5.
gotta weigh your boat.
Lanes 4, 8, and 5 to boat control, please, from the event 50. Open men's and women's K1 200-meter ID. If you get to boat control.
Yeah, man.
Nice job, Tom.
Thanks.
Did you feel good?
Yes.
Good job.
What was that?
Good job, Tommy.
We gotta go wait your boat.
Way to go, Robbie.
Robbie went just under that.
A fire truck.
Fire truck? Where? Oh, look at that. You're right. A fire truck.
What is the fire truck going to do today?
I don't know. Maybe they got a phone call.
Phone call.
That's what they do. When there's a phone call, they hurry, hurry, hurry. Maybe it's just Curious George that called them.
Curious George had called them.
Maybe. It's possible.
What did the firefighters do to Curious George?
They put him in jail.
Put him in jail.
They put him in jail. Oh, Alina's going to help Robbie.
Where's the jail? Where's the jail?
I don't know. I don't know where the jail is. I don't really think Curious George called that guy. I don't know where they were going.
Huh?
It's a hot day. There's Galia and her green boat. Well, Tommy, was it hot out there?
Yeah.
Yeah? What are you thinking about?
One last hope from Hercules.
He's yeah, he's got Hercules on the mind.
Family members and relatives watch Hercules. You and your family members and your relatives watch Hercules.
That's your assignment. You have to watch Hercules.
Watch Hercules.
Have you ever seen it?
Yeah, I watched it.
You have seen it? Tommy is telling everybody to watch it. I don't know why. Why does everyone need to watch Hercules, Tommy? Why?
Because.
No reason?
No reason.
Okay.
Bye, everybody.
You gonna say goodbye to Alina? Do you want to go say goodbye to Alina? She's over there with Ian.
Bye, Lena.